Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing polygel nails. So this is my kit that I'm using. If you saw my last video, you would have seen that I did a unboxing. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So this is a Gershion polygel nail kit. So this is the kit here. It comes with 6 30ml polygel. It also comes with top coat, base coat, nail file. Comes with the spatula at the end and the polygel brush at the other end. This is just some cards. This just shows you how to apply polygel onto the nail. This is some nail forms, which is quite a lot in there. And this is the dual forms. So I'm just going to match these up to my nail. That's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to swatch all the colours so you're able to see the colours that it comes with and how they look. So here is the clear one. Here we have white. Here we have natural pink. Here we have dark pink. Here we have cover pink. We have bean red. Here are all the swatches of what they look like from clear to bean red. Okay, so that is that. So first what I'm going to do is just clip my nails, because some of them are long, not long, but some of them are a bit longer than others. So okay, next I'm just going to file my nails so they're not shiny. This is a really good filer. Just gonna push the cuticle back. Okay, next I'm just gonna get some rubbing alcohol and just clean my nails to just take away any oils or anything. Rubbing alcohol just in here to get ready for when I need it. I'm just going to leave that there. So now I'm going to get the dual forms and just match them up with my nails. So I picked out my forms here and I'm going to start. So the colours I'm going to use is natural pink and clear. See how it goes. It's my first time, so however it goes is however it goes. I did have to file down the pinky nail because it's literally, it was nowhere near the size, so I had to file that down. First I have my form here. I'm going to get my spatula and brush. I have my rubbing alcohol, so I'm just going to get the pink. I'm going to dip the brush into the rubbing alcohol. And just move this down. My thumb. Oh gosh, I've seen that it says do not press too hard. And I'm just going to clean the outskirts. So I'm just going to smooth out this side. I feel like I didn't put enough, so the next one I'm definitely going to try and put a lot more. Oh, that one's got a bubble in it. Oh no. Okay, I think that looks okay, and I'm just going to cure that for... So I have my... You know what, I'll show you once I cure it. I'm going to do 60 seconds. I just realised one thing I didn't do is I didn't put my base coat on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that after I try and take this off. Oh god, how do you get it off? Ooh, it's actually come out real good. It's actually come out so nice. Made a few mistakes here with bubbles and stuff, but it actually looks good. It actually looks really good. So what I'm going to do is put my base coat. I do also have, you probably can see it already, a hydrator and primer kit. However, because it's my first time trying this Gershion kit, I want to see how it works with the base coat. So, how did I forget my base coat? Now that nail's probably going to pop off. Okay, oh, so that feels pretty good. So I'm just going to file that. I'm actually in love. It's my first time, and the first finger came out really well. And that's my first nail. I might file it down a bit more so it can be a bit more like pointy and stuff. I don't know. And I need to take off all this. I tried to take as much off at the sides as I could, but I could see that some of it did not. But I have a drill, so that is all I'm going to use my drill for. Do I need to do the base? Do I need to do a top coat at the back? I don't know. I'm just going to do it because I don't know if it's, you know, no idea if it's curing. So I'm going to do that for 60 seconds. And the clear. For this one, I'm just going to also be using some butterflies. So, don't need much. Put some butterflies. I think I do it now. Yeah, I think so. I'm just going to put the butterflies in between. Ooh. Like so. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. The gel. I realised that I had the TV on in the background, so I had to literally... So you're not going to see that part because you'll hear literally YouTube. I think that's okay. We think so, we think so. My nail. Seconds. Oh, so cute. And I'm gonna... It's cute. Very, very cute. A few butterflies on top of each other, but that's okay. So my phone had no memory, but I managed to finish my nails. Once I finish, I just put a bit of oil. Not the best. Not the best, but I guess it's okay.